In the previous lecture, we learned about floats. In this lecture, we're going to learn about font family. So the font family property specifies the type of font for the selected element. However, more than one value can be specified separated by commas. You might be asking yourself, how are they going to be used all at once? The answer is that if the first value is not supported by whatever browser you're using, the browser will go to the next value until it finds the one it supports. What this indicates is that there are alternatives. As a demonstration, I'm going to show you only a couple of values because there's more than 10 different values and I can't go over each one. It will make the lecture longer. Instead, I'm going to suggest you to Google for CSS font families. Once you find a list, play around with them so you know what they look like. So here I have two elements. The first one is a div with the text of specifying the type of fonts for this element. And the other element is a p tag with the text of specifying the type of font for this other element. Now, I'm going to target the first element here, the div. So I'm going to come to the CSS file, and I'm going to add div, and I'm going to say font family. Okay, and the first one I'm going to add is cursive. Okay, so save it and check it out. Okay, you can see the differences there because this is not targeted. No font family has been defined in this element here, only the top one, which is the div. Okay, now let's put the same font to both of them, okay, to both elements. So here I have the div and the p. In order to do that, we can just add a comma after the div, okay, and add p. And that should add the font family to both elements. Okay, and there he is. Now, we can also accomplish this by adding the font family to the body. Okay, let's do that now. Body, and this time I'm gonna change it to let's see, sans. There it is, sans serif. Okay, let's change it. Okay, now both of them have the same type of font. Okay, now anything, if you set a font family to the body element, any element under the body or its children will inherit that font family unless you specified a specific font size, or I mean, excuse me, a font family for that particular element. Okay, so both of them have the same font family, right? Um, Now, let's see that I just want to specify um, a different font family for the p tag, and I'm gonna say family, and let's go back to the cursor one. Okay, now you're gonna be able to see the differences. Okay, and this is how you use font families. In the next lecture, we're gonna learn about font size.